children, welcome to today's online class. Today I am going to start font tag in your HTML. In the last class I had taught you the HTML structure, paragraph, p tag, hr tag, how we can use in our web pages. Now how we can use font tag in our web pages. So the attribute name is face, color, size. The font tag is used to format a block of text. You can change the font type, size and color of paragraph with the help of its attributes. Now what is the use of face tag? Face specify the font type. For example, Arial, Times New Roman, like this you can use font face names. Color specifies the font color. Size specifies the font of the size. So the default size is 3. If you want to increase more size, you give size name. So how you will use font tag and how you will write in your HTML code. Here example is given that opening font is font tag name. After font you have to use attribute name. So font face is equals to inside inverted code you give face name. Like Arial, Times New Roman, you give inside inverted code. Color is equals to inside inverted code you give color name, and size is equals to mention the size and close tag. And after writing the text to be entered here and close font tag. Here example, HTML head title name you give, close title, head tag close, start body tag, opening tag font face is equals to inverted code Times New Roman, size is equals to 3 is by default, size is equals to 3, color is equals to red, close tag, and inside tag you write something and then close font tag. Then here BR close. Then again next face is given, then third face is given. You can use n numbers of face tags in your HTML. According to that you will get output. Here example is given that Times New Roman, it comes in different way. So the color is red. According to this you will get output. And at the last you close body tag and last tag is HTML. Some more formatting tags are here: bold, italic, underline, strike through, emphasize text, strong, superscript, subscript. How we can use these all tags in our HTML? Here example, HTML head, title, body, bold text formatting, close B tag, then BR 2 times, then I for italic, B for bold, I for italic, then close I tag, then again B 2 times you close, B R for break line. If you are giving 2 times means there is a gap between one text in second text. U underline text formatting, slash U, 2 times BR slash strike text formatting, strike and emphasize text formatting. Then next is superscript and subscript. Then close body tag, head tag and HTML. Here output is given. First we use B tag for bold. So here we got bold text formatting. Next is italics, little slight. It is italic size. You can see italic text formatting. The difference between it is given that. U for underline, in down you will get one underline in your text. Next is strike. When you will use strike, one line comes in your text. Emphasize text formatting, then strong text formatting, and superscript and subscript text formatting you got. So this is the output and how you have to write in your HTML web page document when you will design web page. HTML comments. Comments can be inserted into the HTML code to make it more readable and understandable. Comments are ignored by the browser and are not displayed. When I don't want to display any line, I can write comment in front of that. How we will write comment? Opening tag, explanatory sign. This is the comment and close tag. Here see the example. HTML head title, give title name, head tag close, then body. H1 we know heading style we had studied, heading style we had studied. So here I am using H1 tag, close, font face is equals to Arial, color is equals to blue, close, and U for underline tag. This is an example of nested tag. Close U tag, close font tag, and close H1. Body tag close and HTML. So this is the output. Underline tag, U tag I had used. So this is an example of a nested tag. Underline is there. Font face is Arial and color is blue. When we will run in our system, we will get that time. H1 I am using, so I got the output in H1. Now pre-formatted tag. Sometimes you want your text to follow the exact format of how it is written in the HTML. In this case, you can use the pre-formatted tag. Any text between the open pre-tag and the close pre-tag will preserve the form document. Here HTML head, title is given, head tag, body, then pre. Inside pre-tag, when you want to use function, at that time you can use pre-tag. Void main is a function name. How it is function name? Because void main, after void name small bracket is there, means we are using function. Void main is a function, curly bracket, CLRS, clear screen, CLRSCR full form is clear screen, close bracket, semicolon, Cout. This is a C programming code. So if you don't know C++, then no need to confuse, only just to see how we can use pre-tag. Cout, angle bracket 2 times, inside inverted quote slash, and this is a C++ program. Close curly bracket and close pre-tag, close body tag and HTML. Through this program, they want to show how you can use pre-tag. Don't get confused that you have to study C programming also. This is the for output only they use C programming. Example. Body tag. Body tag attribute is BG color background text. The body tag is used to contain a web page content including hyperlink, images, tag required in every HTML document, and there may only be one body tag per page. So we define with the body tags such as BG color attribute, background color attribute, text attribute. These attributes define formatting features from the entire body of the HTML document. BG color attribute with the body tag. We can give attractive color to the background. BG color, when you will write, means you want to give color in your background. So how you will write background? These are the color names. Here example is given that HTML head title, body tag, inside body tag, when you will write opening tag body, then BG color. Don't give any gap in between BG color, and color name is COLOR. In computer, this color name you have to write. BGCOLOR is equals to whatever the color you want, you give it, and close tag. And then paragraph P, which is cyber ethics. What is cyber ethics? BR close, 2 times BR means I want to give gap in between my text. So this is the example how you have to use. This is the paragraph which is written in between P tag, and again the P you have to close, then body, then head, then HTML. So this is the output. We had used here BG color blue. So when you will run in your system, background comes in a blue color. Now background attribute with body tag. What is the use of background attribute? When you want image in your background, at that time you have to use background attribute. How you will write background? Opening tag of body, background is equals to file name, means image name. Image may be in JPEG, GIF, BMP. You can write your file path name and then you will close body tag. This is example. HTML head title, head close, title close, head close, opening body. After that give space and write background is equals to, suppose my image is in C drive, user, Lenovo desktop. So the complete path you have to write. If you are not able to write, then go to image and click in that image, right click in that image, properties, you will get that image path. Copy that image path and paste it in here inside inverted code. So automatically all the path comes, and slash image name dot jpg. You see the image name, whether it is a jpg or gif, just you see jpg. Here it is given that jpeg, you can write jpg also, it works. So like this you can copy the path and after that slash and write the image name dot jpg inside inverted close tag. And after that, if you want to write heading, you write heading, holiday destination, close body tag, head tag and HTML. So this is the output. This is holiday destination. You can see image you got in your body, in a background, in a web page. Now the text attribute, you want the text attribute text color name, so you can give color to your text. How you will write text? Doc HTML, HTML your first tag, head tag, title tag, give title name and close title, then head tag you close. Then I want text, means what I am writing in my HTML notepad, I want in a different color. So at that time write opening body text is equals to red. When you will write text is equals to red, at that time the text comes in a red color. H2 tag, opening tag, H2 close. I am going to make a cool website and slash H2, close H2 tag, then again H2 with an HTML, then close H2 tag, then close body tag and HTML. This is the output when you will get in your web page. So like this way you can color your web page, you can insert image, you can color your text through this font tag and background, BG color, text. In the next class I am going to teach you list. There are 3 types of list: unordered list, order list and description list.